Hello friends, today I am going to explain about the drug receptor interaction and what type of forces involved in drug receptor interactions. So in drug receptor interaction, the vast majority of drug shows remarkably high correlation of structure and specificity to produce pharmacological effect. The drug receptor interaction required complementariness to drug with receptor. This shows that how one drug is specific and bind to their receptor. The receptor is protein-like structure and drug bind with receptor binding site which is localized on receptor. Binding site is called active site and some other site are also there, that is allosteric site. A minimum 3-point attachment of drug with receptor is required. As we know, if we changes the structure of drug, the conformation of drug changes, and this changes complementariness and specificity which is required for receptor binding. When drug interact with receptor, it forms drug receptor complex. Here receptor is occupied by drug, and after formation of drug receptor complex, there is generation of biological response. Binding of drug to receptor produce a measurable biological response, and response is directly proportional to number of receptor occupied by drug. There are various forces involved in drug receptor interaction where a drug binds with receptor by different types of bond. There are two types of bond involved in drug receptor interaction. First one is reversible bond. In this, the drug receptor complex do not dissociate with free drug and free receptor. Irreversible bond are classified into covalent bond. Covalent bond form when long-lasting effects are desired, for example, antibacterial and anti-cancer. The second type of bond is reversible bond, in which drug receptor complex dissociate to give free drug and free receptor, and majority of drug forms reversible bond. Reversible bonds are classified into following types, that is ionic bond, dipole-dipole and ion-dipole interaction, hydrogen bond, hydrophobic bond, van der Waals forces and charge transfer complex. So the first one is covalent bond. Covalent bond formed by sharing a pair of electron by drug and receptor. It is very stable bond and does not break easily, so hardly permit the dissociation of drug receptor complex. The competitive antagonist forms covalent bond with receptor. Covalent bond is highly stable bond and practically irreversible, and drug receptor interaction is reversible process, so covalent bond formation is rare except some toxic situation. For example, acetylcholine esterases form covalent bond with phosphate esters, and there is irreversibly binding with receptor and drug. Next is ionic bond, or also called electrostatic interaction. Ionic bond is formed when charge produced on drug molecule is attracted to charged group on receptor site. Means any negative and positive charge on drug receptor attracted to each other and form ionic bond. For example, acetylcholine, it is endogenous ligand and it has positive charge on quaternary nitrogen atom which is attracted with negative charge of ionized carboxyl group on the receptor. Next is dipole-dipole and ion-dipole interaction. The polar molecule have partially positive and partially negative charge on it. When positive end of one polar molecule is attracted with negative end of another polar molecule, then there is formation of dipole-dipole interaction, which is an attractive force. Ion-dipole interaction is between a molecule with ionic charge and a polar molecule with opposite charge. Then there is formation between ion-dipole interaction. Here figure shows that ion-dipole and dipole-dipole interactions. The next is hydrogen bond. It is weak bond and easily broken. Drugs contain hydroxyl, amino, carboxyl and carbonyl groups. They can form hydrogen bond with receptor. In this figure, hydrogen bond formed between two water molecules in which negative charge on oxygen atom attracted with positive charge of hydrogen atom of another water molecule. Negative and positive charge are partially generated on the molecule, so this bond is also characterized by dipole-dipole interactions. The next is hydrophobic forces. This bond forms by interaction with non-polar molecule and water. It is formed when two polar groups, that is one lipophilic group on drug and other on receptor, come close for binding with each other in presence of water. So the water molecule becomes disordered due to opposite nature, and there is increase in entropy, which results in decrease in free energy that stabilize drug receptor complex, and this stabilization is called hydrophobic interaction. In this figure, there is interaction between two lipophilic non-polar groups surrounded with water molecule and come close with each other for binding, and after binding the water molecule creates entropy which stabilizes the interaction between drug and receptor. The next is van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces is weak forces that is formed intermolecular bonding between the molecule. Van der Waals forces form between drug and receptor where there is formation of temporary dipole, means non-polar molecule have non-symmetrical distribution of electron density, which results in formation of temporary dipole. As atom from different molecule like drug and receptor approach to each other, then temporary dipole attracting with each other as they are opposite in nature, then intermolecular attraction develops, which is known as van der Waals forces. The next is charge transfer complex. It is formed between a molecule is good electron donor and a molecule with electron acceptor. The donor transfer its charge to acceptor and form charge transfer complex with acceptor. The electron donor contain pi electrons, as for example alkene, alkyne and aromatic moieties, with electron donating substituent or group that have a pair of non-bonded electrons such as oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur moieties. The acceptor group contain electron deficient pi orbital, as for example alkene, alkyne and aromatic moieties having electron withdrawing substituent or weakly acidic protons. The table describes the forces involved in drug receptor interaction. So the covalent bond formed between nitrogen atom of a molecule with receptor, ionic bond formed between positive charge of nitrogen atom of drug molecule with negative charge of carboxyl group of receptor, hydrogen bond formed between hydrogen atom of drug molecule and negative dipole on receptor, dipole-dipole interaction formed between two dipole molecule, that is one dipole of drug molecule with another dipole on receptor, and hydrophobic forces are formed between non-polar molecule of drug and non-polar groups on receptor molecule. So in this topic we discuss in detail about the drug receptor interaction and various types of forces involved in drug receptor interaction. So thank you very much.